How to change color filter opacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, scroll down and you will see color filter is here. Click on color filter. So if you want to change color filter opacity, scroll down, you will see color filter opacity is here. If you want to change, so you will change color filter opacity from here. After change color opacity, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change color filter opacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.